Real work does not look spectacular. It is not pretty, not dynamic, and not designed for the camera. A real working process is made of pauses, doubts, backtracking, repeated checks, waiting for results, noise, mess, and constant interruptions. Very often, nothing seems to be happening on screen, and that is exactly when the real work is happening, inside the specialist's head. That is why real work is almost impossible to film nicely. I would tell you this: something on YouTube that looks smooth, clear, continuous, and cinematic is usually not a real work. It is a reconstruction, a setup, a selected case with a known outcome, staged lighting, prearranged tools, and all the dead ends edited out. That is not necessarily dishonest. It is a format, but it is not reality. This channel works differently. What you see here is the real process, not a show. There is minimal camera work, no staging. The camera is where it happened to fit, not where it looks best. The lighting is whatever was available. The sound is whatever was recorded. The editing is rough and minimal, just enough to make the footage watchable. If something looks boring, uneven, or unpolished, that means it actually happened that way. We are not trying to turn an automotive shop into a content studio, and we are not trying to prove competence through visuals. YouTube is used here for one reason only: to say once, to many people at the same time, what otherwise has to be explained repeatedly, one person at a time, how the process really works, where expectations collide with reality, what trade-offs exist, and what consequences follow from certain decisions, why some things are done the way they are, and why quick and easy usually means bad and temporary. This is not a traditional how-to channel, and it is not entertainment. If you are looking for spectacle, fast cuts, time lapses, and repair magic, this is probably not the right place. But if you want to understand what real work actually looks like from the inside, without filters or decoration, then you're exactly where you should be.